This is a video demonstration using a report to analyze data. Okay, analyzing data is very important to answer data questions. The ability to answer these questions will give you the ability to react quick to different events in real time. And if you perform robust analysis, then you can have the information at hand so you can make very efficient decisions. Okay, so we are gonna take a look here at our data model. This is the data model. It's a high-level view of how you get data, process data, and then finally show data. So we are gonna take a look at now at the report, and this report actually is taking information from the National Statistics Department of Colombia. The information is in this format. So the information was gathered, now it's processed, and from the year 2004 to the year 2014. It's a 10-year time frame. But it's hard to take a look at this file because you have everything in one place and it's not very interactive. So for the example that we have here, we have used TIBCO Spotfire, which is a software that allows you to take a look at the answer to different questions in a visually interactive and friendly manner. So we are going to take a look now at 4 different items here. We're going to see the Colombian map, and we're going to take a look at some hierarchical view and to statistical analysis. Okay, so the first part is the map. It will load a map of Colombia, and we see a green color here, and the one that is darker, these are the departments of Colombia. So the ones that are darker, it means that they actually produce a lot of money. Okay, so we can basically just see that 3 departments that produce the most amount of money for our national GDP are Bogota, which is the capital, and Antioquia, and we can see the capital city there, and the median for the 2014 year. And then we can see here Valle del Cauca, which is another department, and those 3 departments are the ones that produce the most amount of money. Okay, so we can just interact with the report. If we choose the capital city, we can see here all the financial activities by department, the total GDP that this department actually gives to the national GDP. So we can see here, as soon as we select it, we can see the income in millions of Colombian pesos per year from 2004 until 2014. Okay, and this is in Colombian pesos. Okay, it's given in millions. We can even interact with the other activities or categories from here, and it will automatically change the information for us. Okay. All right. Now, if we deselect this and go to Antioquia, again, it will show all the financial activities for that department, and then we can just take the GDP of Antioquia and take the year 2014. See, it's 756 million, compared with Bogota, which gives a total amount of 188 million. So Antioquia actually produces the most. But since there are more financial activities here in Bogota, then the capital city of Colombia produces the most amount of money. Okay, so then we will see in this page the hierarchical view is about the same, but it's not using the interactive map. We can just choose another department like Santander, and also gives us all the financial activities. Colombia, it's a coffee nation. We export a lot of coffee. As soon as we select the coffee plantations, automatically will highlight this financial activity, and then we can just take a look here. from the year 2004 to 2014. So 2014 was a really good year for coffee plantations, 354 million. That's around like $200,000. Okay, so finally, these are some statistical analysis that this TIBCO Spotfire software automatically gives. And you can just set this to automatically give you some recommendations on the data that you have. Okay, so you can see these very neat graphics here, and you can see all the departments, and it shows all the information related to the department that you choose. So this is a very interactive way to take a look at different information and analyze information. Okay, so if you can imagine this as a real project on real time, let's say the different departments from Colombia, they provide information in real time, and finally they will automatically create a report like this, and it will automatically update itself, and it can show you real time information about any kind of topic that you want, like number of earthquakes or number of uh, schools being built, or you know, number of jobs being created for different departments per week. So it's a very neat way to use technology and help into the social development of any country.